Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. All right, wanted to do a full update. Wanted to give you my thoughts on what I expect this weekend. It's the weekend, all right. We've seen some support here, but overall, I do not expect much movement. So yeah, we'll just do a full update. The volume right now is actually pretty high. I mean, the volume at around $40 billion at the start of the weekend. Last week it was higher, but last week, as you can see, we also dipped down quite a bit, and back then we just had more movement. All right, back then Bitcoin was just falling, so there was a lot of volume. And right now Bitcoin is it's bearish. All right, I mean, overall, the main question in my eyes at this point of time, and my bias about Bitcoin changes rapidly. All right, so these videos, I like to make these videos, and I think there's value for all of you. But the thing is that I can, over the course of today, I could turn bullish on Bitcoin, even though right now I'm not. All right, so just take that in mind. All right, and in the end, it's always best to really form your own bias. And it's right now raining very, very hard, so it's a bit of a distraction. But no, and in this video I'll also teach you how to create your own bias, all right? Because right now, if you look at the technicals, we're making lower highs. You could argue that we're making some sort of a triangle right here, but I think it's too early to tell. And these lower highs are by far stronger. You can also very clearly see that right here, all lower highs. So I'm more bearish than bullish. I was slightly bullish right here, but then we just failed to gain more momentum, and we failed to hold support. So then I turned bearish. But right now, I mean, honestly, you can see we also lost most of that momentum. But right now, honestly, look, we found a strong support level in terms of open interest. So it was to be expected that we would find some more support at that support level we hit earlier, like around 62,500. Let's keep it at that. So we did find support there, and we could theoretically, like, I don't expect a bearish breakout in the next 24 hours. So that means we're consolidating, and we could also form some sort of a longer term consolidation on top of this level. But then I would say that would be a consolidation between, well, let's say 62,000 and then at the very top, like 69,000. So to really confirm that, we need to get some sort of a breakout above 65 or 66,000, which I don't expect. All right, I think if you look at the open interest right here, there's a little bit of a divergence. Because you can see that the price has actually gone up, but the open interest is not necessarily moving up that much as the price. All right, so that means that there, this might be some short covering, just some shorts being closed, price going up because of that, but no real bidding. So I see no reason yet to suspect that this will be a consolidation or that we will be bullish. For that to happen, and that's what I tell you with creating your own bias. Look, if the open interest actually keeps going up, so if we see something like this, then we can actually get a bullish breakout. All right. So it is possible. It's just at this point of time, it doesn't look likely. At this point of time, it looks more likely that we might actually get some more bullish momentum, but that we will just respect resistance and drop down to our main support level, and probably even lower towards 61,000. And then ultimately, if the momentum really does not pick up, if the open interest doesn't increase, we'll also drop down to that level around 60 and 58,000. That looks most likely right now, all right, with all the effects that it has on the market. I mean, at this moment, you can see the Bitcoin dominance is fairly low. If that starts increasing and Bitcoin starts being more bearish again, also over the course of today, then that's going to lead to some bleeding altcoins as well. So be careful for that. But that's, in my eyes, the most likely scenario for now. The main thing you should take into consideration while trading, while buying Bitcoin or not. And something like this, for now, seems, not impossible, but very unlikely. So those are my thoughts. If anything major changes, I'll let you know. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend, and bye.